All right, Workplace 20 students. Yeah, with our project, I'm so excited about, like anything else, a little bit of planning goes a long way. So the first thing you're going to do is actually use these Excel spreadsheets that I've added a few things in to plan your roller coaster. All right, and figure out your slopes with it. So you have to do this before you go into Minecraft and finish off that. It has to be approved by me, so make sure you get it in, and you can use it. Now, even though when you make this, when you go in and build your roller coaster, you can always go in and change it and add to it and stuff. But you have to make sure, and I want to make sure, that you at least have all 4 types of slope in here. So I'm just going to use the draw tool here, and remember that each block, this is really important, each block edge, all right, is going to equal 1 meter. Okay, so each time you have a block, it's 1 meter by 1 meter. Okay, that'll make things easier on you, and you'll see it'll be easier to calculate your slope and all that type of a thing. So to go along here, I'll just draw a basic one. So say I go over a couple of blocks, and then again, you're going to put down a rail and go. You're going to go up, and you're going to go over and down. And this is just mine. Like, this isn't exactly what you're going to do. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So that could basically be your plan in terms of how your roller coaster is going to look. So you will be dropping what's called NPCs. So you would put them at various points in your roller coaster, because they're telling me what slope that's going on there. Okay, and you could put a little sign here saying welcome. And so this is my overall kind of look to it. This person here is going to be talking about my positive slope. All right, and no, I'm not sure what happened there, but it looks like we're back. It's going to be positive slope. This here is going to be a horizontal slope, which is 0 slope. Okay, so you'll be able to figure that out. It's going to be a negative slope. Okay, and this here is going to be undefined slope. We talked about all things in the unit, and hopefully by being able to, you'll be okay. So again, I'm going to come up here, go up on my positive slope. This is going to be my horizontal slope. I'm going to come down from left to right. That's my negative slope. I have another horizontal slope in here, another positive, another horizontal. And then I got to figure out, and this is kind of a little bit of a challenge, I got to come straight down for a vertical slope, right, which is undefined. So what you're going to do, again, like it shows down here, is you're going to have to figure out calculations. So if you try to say your positive slope, if we look at that, you're doing this. So this would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be my run 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be my rise. So I'm going to go into Minecraft and see if that would work. I know that I'd have rise over run, right, which is 5 over 5, which would give me a slope of 1. All right, so that's something you have to see if that would work out when you do your slope number 1. And this is the information that PC would have to say. You'd have to say it's a positive slope, give me the rise, give me the run, and calculate the slope. Now, if you do a whole bunch and you add a bunch of twists and turns, you only have to plan for 4 times to share this. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. If you keep extending your plan and you do loop to loops, you guys are getting creative and you're figuring out slope and that, go after it. That's awesome. All right, but what I need from you is this outline. And then I also need you to basically go here and calculate and show an example of a positive, a negative, a 0, and an undefined slope. Okay, you're going to have to show your calculations, and you need this information for your sign and your NPC. So hopefully that makes sense too. If you need some help with your plan document, like I say, you could just print this off. You could try to do like I did and do it inside of OneNote and draw it like that and say, here you go. Or you can print this off and draw it. But I need to see this before you go inside. And another thing I get to you guys to do too is you have to get one other student or one other group to look at your plans before you bring it to me, and I give you the thumbs up front. So hopefully that makes sense on your planning guide. And thanks for watching.